Hello guys, welcome back to another video from the E-Innovators. This video is just a brief demonstration of an air conditioner we have made in our home using a Peltier sensor. For this project, apart from the Peltier sensor, we have used two types of exhaust fans. One of them is used for the heat release, as we have kept the hotter side of the Peltier inside the container with the heat sink. In simple words, the fan is releasing the heat outside the container to lower the temperature inside the container. The supply provided is 5 ampere and 12 volts. As you can observe, right now the temperature shown on the sensor is in range of 17.5 to 17.7 and drops sharply to almost 12 to 14 degrees, which clearly states that the heatsink is working properly. To complete our air conditioner, we have to attach a fan to our container and see whether the cold air passes. Now we have connected the fan to our air conditioner with the help of an external supply, a battery. Now don't get confused by seeing the temperature is almost 33 degrees. We have actually shifted the temperature sensor inside. So this reading is for the heat sink by the exhaust fan, and it clearly states that the heat sink is working properly. And right now the air conditioner is passing the cold air. Feels amazing. So guys, that's it for today. If you guys want to know how we have used the Peltier to build the setup for the air conditioner, you can watch our previous video on the Peltier sensor. You can find it in the I button on the top right corner. Do watch the video and build an air conditioner for yourself at home. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe and share. See you guys in the next video shortly. Bye bye, stay safe, peace out.